What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord fail loading chunk error. So first you need to head over to this Windows and then you need to search for run. After that, open this run app and then you just need to type in percentage app data percentage, and after that hit enter, and then this will open the percentage app data, and from here you just need to right click on the Discord folder, and after right clicking you just simply need to delete it. You can just simply click it once and then delete it from here, or you can just right click and delete it from here. After deleting the Discord folder, you just need to search for run again, and this time you just need to write local app data. You just need to keep this app data, just simply write local in the front and then hit enter. And after hitting enter, here you will find the Discord folder once again. Right click on it and then just simply delete it. You can just delete it like this, or you can just right click and then you can delete it. After deleting the Discord folder, just head over to the Discord's website, and then from here you can just simply click on this download Discord for Windows and then download it again in your Windows PC. So this will solve the problem. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.